Good morning, students. In our last WhatsApp class, we have discussed negative and interrogative of sentences. In that class, we have discussed negative interrogatives of simple present, present progressive, present perfect, and present perfect progressive. Let us start today how to change the sentences in simple past, past progressive, past perfect, and past perfect progressive. And in this class, we will discuss how the affirmative sentences will be changed into negatives and interrogative sentences. Let us first discuss negative and interrogative sentences in simple past. Simple past or past indefinite. I have given you what examples of what simple past. You see, first take a sentence: I played football. Students, this sentence is in affirmative and this sentence is in simple past. And you see, this structure of this sentence is subject plus verb to and object is there. Okay, and this is in its affirmative format. Let us change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence. Students, in the last class I have already told you interrogative sentence can be of two types: your yes or no interrogatives and WH interrogatives. This affirmative sentence will be changed into first yes or no interrogatives. This affirmative sentence can be changed into yes or no interrogative sentence first. You see, this plate can be changed did plus play. Okay, so this what did is what mixed with play as a result, so it became what played. Whenever we change this affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence, this what did will be separated from this play. Okay, and this sentence will be what did I play football. This is its interrogative format. And students, you know, this is its yes or no interrogative sentences. This sentence is in structure that did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object if object is there. Okay, and this yes or no interrogative sentence will be changed into WH words interrogative sentence with adding a WH words. Okay, you see, did I play football? Nothing will be changed, just a WH words will be added to this sentence to change yes or no interrogative sentence to WH words interrogative sentence. What is that? That is, where did I play football? Football. Students, you know, this yes or no interrogative sentence changed into WH words interrogative sentences. Okay, let us change this what affirmative sentence into negative sentences. I have already told you, whenever we change an affirmative sentence into negative sentence, not operate with it, not will operate with it, these affirmative sentences. Okay? This affirmative sentence was I played football. I played football. This affirmative sentence will be changed into negative sentences using not. You see, this played will be divided or changed into did not play. Means whenever I will change this affirmative sentence into negative sentence, it will be changed. I did not play football. This affirmative sentence changed into negative sentences. This is all about how I changed the affirmative sentences into negative sentences and yes or no interrogative sentence and WH words interrogative sentences. Let us next change the sentences which are in past progressive. Let us take an affirmative sentences. You see, I was playing football. Students, this is an affirmative sentence which is in past progressive. Let us change this past progressive sentence which is in affirmative into negative sentences using just not afterwards. I was not playing football. You see, this affirmative sentence changed into negative sentence using what? Not with these affirmative sentences. Students, this affirmative sentence will be changed into first yes or no interrogative and WH words interrogative, and how it will be changed into yes or no interrogative and WH words interrogative, it will be given in a next class. Thank you all.